Blue wing ukuleles versus Koaloha Opio. What about that one? All right. How good is blue wing ukulele? Can he stand up to the big dogs? Well, let's find out. And I will say that I think this Koaloha Opio is running its prime right now. It is strung up with Aquilla B blacks. Those are the strings for this ukulele, at least that I've found so far. Favorite string I've ever found for it. I don't ever feel that I've ever had the perfect string for this uk, and these are stunning. All right, I'm doing a string change on these. They currently have the blue wing currently is strung with Martin m600s. They're extremely wore out, frayed. There's even a little bit of a buzz on the E string. I really wore these out. They've also not held up all that great. But anyways, changing these to a Nui Clear Waters, and wanted to get a sound comparison against this Koaloha Opio, and then after the string change, give them a run against each other, and we'll see who can be the best with both of them with premium strings. Buzz on the E string. And if this was any other ukulele, I might well not even do these sound samples because that's got a buzz on this string. All right. I certainly would never do anything to harm the reputation of blue wing ukuleles. And if I thought in any way that when I restrung this ukulele that it was not going to sound absolutely amazing and angelic and beautiful, I would never even post these sound samples. Because like I said, I know this thing ain't sounding its best right now with these strings, okay? But this is a stunning ukulele all the way around. It ain't got nothing to apologize for. If you hear any bad strings in here, it's going to either be these strings being wore out or my playing. Just wanted to make that clear. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. This is going to sound really good. The Aquilla B blacks. I was already in love with this ukulele since the day I got it. Even though I knew it didn't have the perfect strings, already in love with it. But these Aquilla B blacks. Absolutely amazing ukulele. I'm really looking forward to this string change and seeing what that blue wing does. Everybody knows these are amazing. That's no secret. I'm not out here selling ukulele. I don't work for blue wing ukuleles either, not yet anyways. I know got a ukulele, he don't take sponsorships and stuff like that. He don't take pay or nothing. And I respect that 100% and appreciate him for it. But I'll tell you right now, Blue Wing Ukuleles wants to sponsor me. I'll sign up in a heartbeat. You just give me the word. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you.